Hello everyone. Today I'm Merkandi website review. This one for our script. If you need, just contact me. Okay, right now for sign out. This one login page. This one for front page. This one for boosting product. Seller have been boost product and therefore showing here. This one category and this one subcategory and plus seller information there and their buyer information. Okay, promotion information there. If you're logging, so promotion showing here. Okay, and this one for flash sale for all boosting product for there and wholesaler. This one for no information showing right now. After logging, information showing for seller information. Okay, this one for buyer can post for quantity. Just click here and automatically language translate title and information all fill up and then submit. Seller you can seller this contact this information and then for messaging, then for application quota job apply. Okay, this one for information not showing here because I'm not registration user, that's why seller information not showing here. So again home page back and click here any products, therefore title, price and seller information, contact, messenger and delivery option, any one product. Just click here. This one for description, I'm change the language, example Arabic. They are showing automatically everything translated for language and all information, no need for manually one by one, just automatically translate everything. And also for currency change you can USD, therefore right now USD showing here. After you can change anyone, they are showing here. So language, you can change the language automatically, currency have been fixed. Okay, right now for two plan, for one plan standard, second plan premium 200 and 100. Just click here, therefore all fill up information and then after submit we can going for pay page. After pay and then automatically logging here. So I'm just directly logging here, showing first admin panel showing here. This one click just logging. Okay, no need. This one admin panel. Okay, this one admin panel information, how many people sign up and for active seller revenue, membership purchase revenue they are showing here. Okay, this one for builder, you can home page easily drag and drop for building this page. Go home page, there you can change for drag and drop feature. You can easily for design home page dynamically, therefore you can dynamically show there for preview showing. Okay, this for user, all users showing here, buyer, admin, seller. Okay, this one categories, this one category, after subcategory they are showing. This one for brand, box, guideline, country, everything showing here. And this one for user country, you can just Bangladesh right now there. Okay, delivery information, I'm already showing here. Product description, all information filled for dynamically, therefore all information dynamically shown, they are created. Payment method, bank, PayPal, Visa, they are showing payment method, bank, pay, online pay, Visa, MasterCard. Delivery method, all here for showing here, don't worry. Okay, trade, okay, payment product, therefore all product have been listed there. Any one user for post it and then for a after review and then active admin automatically fill for live. So this one for click here, edit inactive, active traffic, their click traffic, therefore showing for all traffic for listed there, and details. Okay, this one I feel not showing here. Okay, no problem, for all listed here. So details, I think, oh, therefore problem. Okay, no, I'll very soon fix it. Therefore select for seller and then post it. If you need for anyone seller request send as my product have been uploaded, therefore listed, and for product uploaded. Okay, I'm very soon quickly upload. They are showing all blog option, therefore user for post, and then for admin for approve, therefore blog font and page showing here. This one all pages have been, you can turn on policy, all page created. This one for banner section, banner created. I'm already create someone banner, they're showing. This one someone banner created, therefore showing here. Traffic, how many people showing, visitor, who is product, who is people showing, therefore all listed. How many times showing, sorry, the 5 times showing, therefore all for information have been there listed here. Promotion, how many people for promote product, therefore all listed there. If you anyone product request, and then for approve, automatically showing. Review, anyone for review this site, and then for approve, for they are showing dynamically. Trading, all for trading, therefore product upload there, any product for send for request, therefore approve, and then for details showing. Contact information, how many people for contact us, therefore this contact us, there all information you can send, and this therefore message have been message have been showing here. Okay, this one seller profile, admin profile information, you can change your profile information, therefore admin full tutorial. Right now I am just log out, and then for buyer showing here. This one for buyer, login. Buyer no many feature, they are just for go to for this panel, and all browse offer showing here, latest offer, and then for save wish list here, all three item for save. And this one for messenger, so right now for messenger link have been wrong link, therefore this one messenger link. Okay, therefore blog, anyone people for blog ad, therefore listed here. Product request, I am already showing here. This one for anyone for post, therefore posted, and then any seller for apply, therefore showing for all application. Just click here, this is seller hello, and all information showing there, seller all details information. Okay, invoice, I'm already pay after product and 1 year is type payment, therefore 1 year payment showing here, and download or preview both, therefore preview, you can just select save file and download here. Okay, this one profile information, you can upload your profile information, and then for review system, there you can anyone message have been I'm showing here. This one message, and this one message have been same. Okay, and submit after admin review, and then for website have been live. This one membership page, I'm already for purchase after 10 year, therefore all listed here. After 10 year for anyone for purchase, you can move for buyer or seller, your choice. Okay, right now for this one seller expired time showing here. Okay, and log out. This one for messenger, I'm click here messenger, all messages have been listed there. I'm already chatting here. This one for seller information, and go to homepage back. Okay, right now I'm showing for seller. Okay, thanks. Therefore all same, everything same, just click here wholesale. Therefore all seller listed here. You can anyone for contact and just click here profile. Their profile information showing here. Okay, promotion, here already product listed here, all product they are showing, all product. You can any one product select and change the information and a custom title add, and then after pay 40-day and discount showing here. After pay your product have been live for promotion. Okay, go to for therefore both option, buyer and seller both. We can just for this one for buyer panel, and then for you can switch where switch. Okay, no. After switch for seller, this one seller panel. Okay, your store here, all information there add for all store location at one by one. You can many store for you can include many store information there for listed here. Here all product listed here, this product, all product listed here. This one I think maybe issues. Okay, very soon this one fix it. This one backup, we can just for select categories, though sorry, this one for click here after download for JSON file. All for product they are listed for JSON file. This one all information. Okay, you can just for automatically upload system there. I'm click here, it's just showing for this one for example information. Just copy this link. Sorry, not for add for copy button. You can this copy and ChatGPT pasted here, and you can explain for 10 product upload, 10 product listed, similar pattern for image and everything for upload, and just for pasted here, and then for therefore showing for validation. If you everything okay, just submit, your product have been uploaded. Very simple and easy. Wholesale and single both, you can change for both file, you can change both file, no worry. Promotion there है listed, I am all promotion, how many time for left, therefore showing all promotion. Traffic, therefore 71 traffic, how many people for every people for 5 times 7 times say every 24 hours showing for listed here, therefore listed, all listed here. 3 time 2 time already listed everything, therefore admin, that's why no information showing here. Okay, my listed for I think not showing, not showing here. This one for very soon as possible. Order for not showing, therefore no order, that's why. Analytic and area, this one for switch here, click here for switch, automatically buyer panel they are showing. This one membership page, you can just 1 year purchase, that's why showing there. You can just after 10 year purchase, their message showing here. After click here, this one is step panel, and then you can pay, and automatically for back you can go back, automatically for upgrade your time. So this one for categories, and this one for language, you can just click here language change, and this one extra page advertisement policy buyer block, this one for block information, all block for listed there, just click here block, and you can just for upload a block example. So go to buyer block, click here new add, just for your title, subtitle, short description, full description, image, gallery, and for select for category and submit, after review admin, and then for automatically your product have been live, blog have been live. This one for filtering system, Apple product, all Apple products showing. Then for delivery method, there for filtering for products. And this one for search, I am saying that therefore all showing here, category showing here, and then seller, therefore showing here seller information. After I click this one for showing for details page, after I click all seller information showing there. So it's very simple and easy. So if you need, just contact me. I'll for WhatsApp my contact, and then for discussion after sell this file.